Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Slack to Notion with Integrately. Perfect for turning Slack messages into notes or tasks instantly. Hi guys. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. To begin, search for and select Slack as your first app, followed by Notion as your second. From the list of available one-click automations, find Create Notion Database item for new message received in Slack and click Activate. Next, connect your Notion account, grant access to your pages, and then select the database where you want to add new items. You'll need to connect your Slack account. After signing in, select the specific channel that will trigger this automation. In the Automation Builder, map the required fields. For this example, we'll map the name property in Notion using the text from the Slack message. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. A confirmation screen will then show that your process is live. And we're done. Slack to Notion automated using Integrately. Simple and effective. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and check the link in the description to get started.